Hello and welcome to Angela's Busy Bees Garden and Homestead. Guys, today is Saturday, March 4th, and just got back from a conference in Washington, D.C., and was supposed to leave on yesterday, but my flight got canceled due to inclement weather, and just arrived home this morning and found this damage from my neighbor's trees. They've had two to fall, but one of them, of course, fell in my yard, and this is what it is here. And over here where we have our fire pit and four chairs over here, all of this seems to be knocked over. I don't know if it's wrought iron, but look like even the wrought iron on this table here is messed up. Let's see. Are the legs messed up, Ava?
Yeah. Well, that way, right here.
Yeah.
It got,
Well, maybe we might can bend it back. I'm not sure, but
it's like, it's all the way.
yeah. But you can see here how all this area has just been affected by the tree that fell. So since it's my neighbor's tree, I'm hoping that they'll help to get this cleaned up. And over here we had two grills under a little, like a grill shed or what have you. And as you can see, the grill is all bent up here off of its legs. And I don't even see the tent, the little tent anywhere for the grill. And you can see here, I also have a tree of my own. Well, I think it's more or less a big, large limb that has fallen. So I'll take you there and let you see that as well. Oh, wow. Over here, I had a little trellis. You can see it's gone. See if you can stand it up, Ava. Looks like that might can be put back together. Yeah, look like we might can put that back together. Okay, just lay it down and we'll get it back together. Lots of fallen limbs everywhere.
Is this close enough?
Mm-hmm. You can just lay it back down. Okay. Also over here, we have another large branch. Well, this pine tree was dead and it fell. Then there's another one over here. How did this get over here? I hear you, Bobby. I'm coming. More fallen limbs. This is my little barrel that I used to put limbs in and haul them to one centralized area, because I try to collect as many as I can so that when it's time to get the grass cut, they won't have to do so much to pick up all of this to get started. But as you can see over here, this came off of the fireplace. You see here, and then this is the limb, the Bradford pear tree. I mean, every time there's a storm, this tree here is so vulnerable. And as you can see, it's fallen and laid across the driveway. So this is the first one I'm gonna have to get moved, and I think I can do this one myself since the branches are not that wide. And the little electric saw that I have, I think I can cut up to 6 inches in diameter. So I'm gonna try to get this moved today. But just wanted to come on, guys, and share with you what I discovered coming back home from what was a wonderful, wonderful conference with Thurgood Marshall, to find that there's been some damage here on the homestead. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys stay blessed. Bye-bye.
Bye.